5 Best Telescopic or Extendable Window Cleaning Pole Reviews. Number 1. ETOR 43012 Extension Pole. ETOR Extension Pole is an apt choice to clean the windows. It is a 12 feet robust pole with a threaded tip. The pole is made of high-gauge aluminum tubing. So, no doubt in its durability. Not just sturdy, it is rust-proof too. The tip fits any type of attachments you need in cleaning and dusting. To securely lock them, the pole has the clip lock system on its tip. So, once you fit the attachments, they stay at their place, never budge. So, you can have a comfy cleaning activity. It has a hang hole in the end. So, you can store it easily by hanging it on the wall. To hold the pole and work with it, it has a comfy grip. Number 2. Unger 20-foot Telescoping. Unger pole is a sturdy but lightweight telescopic window cleaning pole. It is made of anodized aluminum. Upon extending the pole, it reaches a 20 feet length. So, clean the windows staying on the ground even if they are 2 stories high. You can easily get back to the regular 7.5 feet pole. It supports any Unger cleaning attachments. The cone and threaded tips are designed to fit the attachments. Not just that, the cone has a locking system. So, the attachment doesn't only fit but also stays intact even if you are thoroughly scrubbing with the pole. Number 3. Dokka PO6 24-foot Extension Pole. It is a multi-purpose telescopic pole. You have a long reach up to 30 feet with this extension pole. With the thumb lever clasps, extension and retraction literally become a matter of a thumb. It is easy to do. When retracted, it becomes shorter, so you can store it even in a car trunk or a truck bed. So, taking it to different places is easy. Due to the 6 feet retraction, you can easily walk with it indoors as well. The multi-angle tip is pretty impressive. You have to fit the hinge tip with the straight metal tip. When you are done attaching it, it is going to rotate a full 180 degree. So, you can use it to clean windows and other things from different angles. The attachment will have a wider reach due to its swivel head. Number 4. Mr. Longormulu My Glass Extension Pole. This one is a sturdy pole and manufactured in the USA. From the threaded tip to the hand grip, every single part of this pole screams quality. It is a heavy-duty, combination, pro-quality telescopic pole. From the inside, it is an aluminum slider tube, and outside, you have a fiberglass handle. The threaded tip is made of die-cast metal. The pole extends from 6 feet to 18 feet. You can lock it when extended with its external locking cam. Just a simple twist, and it is locked. You can use the pole to change the bulbs, with a paint roller and also squeegees and other cleaning tools for a thorough window cleaning. The pole is so long that you can easily clean your windows right from the yard. Number 5. Purdy Power Lock Pole. Power Lock Pole is sturdy and allows for versatile use. Not just a pole, even its locking mechanism lasts 2 times longer than other locking mechanisms used on other telescopic poles. As the lock of the pole allows you a custom adjustment, you can lock it wherever you want while extending. It extends 2 to 4 feet. Not too long but enough for cleaning high places. You can use the pole for doing electrical works. You can relax as you are not going to get a shock while working with this metal pole. It has used the reinforced rubber base grip. The grip is capable of absorbing the shocks. So, it is safe to use for electrical work like changing light bulbs and cleaning lamp sockets.